If you manage more than one schedule, learning how to combine two calendars in Google Calendar can make your life so much easier. It helps you see everything in one place, compare events side by side, and stay organized without constantly switching between calendars. In this video, I'll show you the simple way to view both calendars together, and I'll also show you how to color code them so you can tell them apart at a glance. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick Google Calendar tips. Let's get started. First, open Google Calendar in your browser or the mobile app. Once it loads, look at the left side of the screen. You'll see a section called My Calendars, and sometimes you may also see Other Calendars. This is where all of your connected calendars are listed. Before you do anything else, make sure both calendars you want to combine are visible. If one of them is hidden, you won't be able to see its events in the main calendar view, so go through the list and check that both calendars are turned on. Now, next to each calendar name, you'll see a small checkbox. Click the boxes next to both calendars. As soon as both boxes are selected, Google Calendar will display both schedules together in the same view. This makes it easy to see your personal events, work events, shared calendars, or any other calendar side by side. If the calendars are already checked, but you still don't see them clearly, make sure you're in the correct view. You can switch between day, week, month, or schedule view depending on how much detail you want to see. For most people, week view is the easiest way to compare two calendars at once. Now, to make everything even easier to read, you can assign different colors to each calendar. To do that, click the three dots next to a calendar name. This opens the options menu for that calendar. From there, choose a color that stands out clearly. Repeat the same step for the second calendar and pick a different color. This is a really helpful trick because once both calendars are shown together, the colors make it instantly obvious which event belongs to which calendar. That way, you don't have to guess or click into every event just to check the source. And that's really all there is to it. You don't actually merge two Google Calendars into one permanent calendar from this screen, but you can combine them in the view so they appear together and stay easy to manage. For most users, that's the fastest and most practical way to keep everything organized. So to recap, open Google Calendar, make sure both calendars are visible, check both boxes, and then use the three dots to assign different colors. In just a few clicks, you'll have both calendars showing together in one clean view. If this video helped you, please give it a like, subscribe for more Google Calendar tutorials, and let me know in the comments if you want to see more calendar management tips. Thanks for watching.